In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets easily. To get started, the first thing you need is a well-organized table of data. In your first column, enter your x-axis labels. These could be dates, months, years, or any sequence you want to show along the bottom of your graph. Then, in the next columns, place your different categories or data series. Each column should represent one separate line on the graph. Make sure each column has a clear header at the top. This is what helps viewers quickly understand which line represents which set of data. Once your table is ready, click and drag your mouse to highlight the entire dataset, including the headers. This step is important because Google Sheets needs both the values and the labels in order to build the chart correctly. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top of the page and select Chart from the drop-down. Google Sheets will instantly generate a chart for you. In many cases, it does a decent job automatically, but sometimes it may choose a bar chart or a column chart instead of a line graph. If that happens, don't worry. Look over to the Chart Editor panel on the right side of your screen. Under the Setup tab, open the Chart Type drop-down and choose Line Chart. That will switch your data into the format you need. After your line chart appears, you can start improving how it looks. If you want the lines to appear softer and more polished, expand the Chart Style menu and check Smooth. This changes jagged line segments into smooth curves, which can make the chart easier to read in some cases. You can also customize each line individually. Open the Series drop-down menu. Then select a specific data line to adjust its color, thickness, or line style. This is especially useful when you have several lines on one graph and want each one to stand out clearly. To make your graph more informative, open the Chart and Axis Titles menu. Here, you can change the main chart title and also add names for the horizontal and vertical axes. Clear titles make a big difference, especially if you are sharing the chart with others. Finally, if you want to improve the layout, expand the Legend section and choose where the category labels should appear. You can move the legend to the top, bottom, left, or right, depending on what looks best for your chart. And that's it. You now know how to create and customize a line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.